Hello friend and welcome back. Today we are going to make this basbousa. I hope you like it. I'm going to use 2 tangerine or 1 orange, you could choose. 2 cups of semolina, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, big tablespoon of baking powder, vanilla extra, 1 cup of water and 3 eggs. At the blender I put the orange, the whole orange, without peel it. I add the water, the oil, the sugar, and I will blend them so good. This is the mixture how it's look like. I will add the egg, the vanilla, the 2 cups of semolina, one big tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and I will blend everything. This is the mixture how it's look like. Now I will put it in the pan. I put some oil in the bottom and some semolina. I will add it and put it in the oven 325 until became gold. It could take like 30 to 35 minutes. This is how it should look like. And now we are going to make the syrup. For the syrup, I'm going to use 1 cup of orange juice and half cup of sugar. Mix them so good and leave them for 5 minutes on the stove. After 5 minutes, we will put it on the top of our basbousa like this. We put all of it. Now I will decorate it. I put some almond and some flowers in the middle. This is how our basbousa look like. I really advise you to try it because it's so delicious. If you visit my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friend. Bye, see you soon.